Hello and welcome to the channel, Jamie here from JP Cars. Very quickly, this is my MK4 Golf and I'm going to be taking parts off it for a challenge that I'm doing, Zero to Hero, where I'm going from a free Ford Fiesta to a Maserati Gran Turismo. This Golf is getting parted out because it failed the MOT miserably. So what I thought I would do is record everything more in depth on these videos so that you can actually have a look at each part that I'm doing. So what I'll do is use this as an introduction for each video and then I shall jump into taking those parts off. I just want to remove this bonnet release lever from the lock. Quite hard to see, but in here there is like a little securing metal tab to get this bonnet release off. I'm literally just pulling the plastic tabs from the bonnet release out, there we go, after removing the securing clip. Now I'm going to remove these. Sometimes it's worth getting some trim removal tools to do stuff like this. Any tools that I use, I shall put in the description box below. If you do buy them through those links, I'd really appreciate it because it's an affiliate link, which means that I get a little bit of a kickback for every sale, which really helps to keep the channel going. So that's what they look like. This should pull forward, up and away. There we go, it's up and out. And now you can see where we need to take out some Torx bolts or Torx screws. So because these are tight, I'm going to use a Torx piece, which comes as a set, and then it's got this thing here, the adapter, to go to a half, straight onto my ratchet. So now it's time to remove the bolts that hold in the wheel arch liners. This is why I removed the wheels and jacked the car up to make it a hell of a lot easier. So I'm just going to give them a little bit of a brush with the wire brush, just to try and get some of the rust out. I want to use a T25 Torx, and again I'll put these in the description box. Well, this one here just won't budge. So with it not coming out because it's rounded, I'm going to use my angle grinder and really carefully put a slit in it so that I can use a flathead screwdriver. Oh, there we go. Just enough to get the screwdriver in and turn it. To do the front bumper you can do just the front, and there's 8 that you need to undo to be able to loosen it up to kind of that point. I'll just go and do the other side, then I'll be back. So the next job is these air vents right down here. Now that sounded like a little clip, doesn't it? So if you put a trim removal tool in, put it in here and pull it out. So removing the air grills here, we can actually now get into the securing screws here. So with those off, it should now just wiggle forward a bit. Oh, not even wiggle forward, fly forward. That is one bumper off, that's £45 right there.